For making this tile, I use the ink pen, but any painting or drawing tool will work. In ArtRage, Paint Symmetry is found under Tools. In Set Number of Segments, I chose 8. Now start scribbling. As you can see, I change colours as I go. When I'm happy with the result, I save the image. Then, using the Fill tool, I select Pattern and choose Load from Disk and load the saved image. So now you have the pattern loaded. Click on the canvas and the pattern will be seamlessly tiled. Hold down Control and move the cursor in any direction and tiling will follow. I change the colours in Edit, Filters, Adjust, Layer Colours.